Is there anything more frustrating than a check engine light that pops up just because the weather turned cold? If you were driving a Mercedes, VW, Audi, or really any modern car like a Chevy or Subaru, and you see code P2026, you are looking at a fuel vapor temperature sensor issue. Let's break down what is actually happening here in plain English. Your car has an Evap system designed to catch fuel fumes so they do not escape into the atmosphere. It recycles them into the engine to be burned. It's great for the environment. But here's the catch. This system is made up of a lot of plastic pipes, valves, and sensors that sit under your car, exposed to the elements 24/7. When it gets freezing cold, that plastic gets brittle and can crack, or the sensors can just drift out of range. Specifically, this code means the computer is seeing a voltage from the fuel vapor temperature sensor that is lower than what it wants to see. Now, is this going to leave you stranded on the side of the road? Honestly, probably not. It is low on the severity scale. But you might fail your emissions test, see a drop in fuel economy, or notice a smell of raw gas, which is never pleasant. Plus, you might have trouble filling up the tank, like the pump keeps clicking off. To fix this, you have to play detective. Since a lot of these parts are underneath, you want to get the car up safely. Please use wheel ramps, not just a jack, and look for physical damage. You're looking for cracked plastic hoses or corroded wires leading to that sensor. It's really common for winter conditions to wreak havoc here. If the pipes look good, you'll need to test the sensor itself with a multimeter to see if it's sending the right signal. Just be incredibly careful when you're pulling on those evap hoses. They're often baked by heat and age, and if you snap a clip, you just turned a sensor job into a plumbing job. Take your time, inspect the plastics, and check those electrical connections for corrosion.